Hi, this is Vicky Kaushal.
I'm Shobita.
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी
और मैं अनुराग कश्यप और ये है बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
Well, we have with us the team of Raman Raghav 2.0, director Anurag Kashyap, the man much in news actually, not only in India but internationally, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Shobita and Vicky Kaushal. Huge pleasure to have you guys on board Hangama first of all.
Thank you.
And Anurag, finally we can talk about your film now.
Yes. Where's my film?
Alright, it's looking extremely interesting. I think you've said in an interview that you couldn't afford a set, so you just made the entire city your set. Tell us about the experience of shooting for Raman Raghav, especially after having a movie like Bombay Velvet, which did not fare well at the box office.
No, Raman Raghav, we knew that we have to make a really, really strong film. And we had constraints. Whatever constraints we had, the thing is constraints should never show on screen. I think constraints are always there in anything you do, but it should never show in your work. So we had to plan a lot. And for me, two most important things in making any film is casting and location. आपकी casting correct हो, आपकी locations correct हो, मुझे लगता है 50% film वहीं खत्म हो जाती है. And those two things I pay a lot of attention to. So instead of taking the amount and expending it over many days, where it starts to look like a low-budget film. I like my equipments, I like my things. I concentrate the number of days, and you work harder. You plan, and then plus we're shooting in real locations where it's difficult because I did not know it would become so difficult. That way it became because Bajrangi Bhaijaan had come out and Majhi had come out, and suddenly Nawaz Bhai was Chand Nawab.
Yeah, exactly.
So wherever we went shooting, it was Chand Nawab, Chand Nawab, Chand Nawab. And आधे एक जगह तो ऐसा लगा उनको बोले चांद नवाब आया तो शायद सलमान खान बजरंगी भाईजान भी आएगा क्योंकि उनको बजरंगी भाईजान की शूटिंग रिलीज होने के बाद भी अभी चल रही होगी और वहाँ पे कुछ 50,000 का क्राउड जमा हो जाता था. We had to innovate ways of shooting constantly. Difficult.
Okay, नवाज भाई, क्या अभी पिछले कुछ दिनों में क्या आपके जहन में एक ये सवाल आया कि आप अनुराग कश्यप से आप पूछें कि भाई वो सब तो ठीक है, मतलब आपने मुझे फैसल खान से आपने रमन राघव तो आपने पहुंचाया, वो सब चीज़ें तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये है कि अभी आपकी पिक्चर अगले हफ्ते रिलीज़ हो रही है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब पैशनेटली इन्वॉल्व हैं जो भी है, लेकिन भाई थोड़ा सा मतलब मोहब्बत का हाथ हमारे ऊपर भी रखें, थोड़ा शफकत का हाथ हमारे ऊपर भी रखें. क्या आपके जहन में, और ऑनेस्टली डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं, आप ऑनेस्ट से बोलते हैं बहुत मजा आता है. हाँ, कि जहन में आया आपके सवाल ही
बिल्कुल आया, हो जाता है.
पूछना चाहते थे आप डेफिनेटली यार, आपने भी इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई, प्रोमो इतना जबरदस्त एकदम बिल्कुल रिस्पांस मिल रहा है कहना भाई, कान में भी हम लोग झंडे गाड़ के आए, तो अपनी पिक्चर के बारे में मतलब बात करें आप, मतलब उड़ता पंजाब समझ में आ रहा है.
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली मेरे पास 2-3 लोगों के फ़ोन भी आए और उन्होंने कहा यार आप वो तो हो गया जो भी कुछ है, बट आप लोग 30 मिनट के इंटरव्यू में जो है 20 मिनट तो उड़ता पंजाब के बारे में बात करो, तो अभी निकल गए और सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं वो, बट अब हमारी फिल्म की भी तो बारी है, उसको हम पूरे इंटरव्यू में उसको भूल जा रहे हैं एक्चुअली.
एक्चुअली मैंने बोला लोग पूछते इतना ज़्यादा उसके,
इसी मैंने शुरुआत नहीं करी उससे, बट थोड़ा सा हम लोग उसके बारे में डेफिनेटली बात करेंगे.
नहीं, मेरा तो सबने परेशान कर दिया, इन दोनों से ज़्यादा तो शोभिता ने परेशान किया मुझे. उसका मतलब कि एक हफ्ते 10 दिन पिछले तो उसने रोज मैसेज सुबह शाम कर करके कि हेलो रामन राघव, रामन राघव, रामन राघव.
डेफिनेटली ये एक वैलिड सवाल है कि भाई वो सब चीज़ें ठीक है, आपसे ज़्यादा सेल्फलेस दुनिया में मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे, लेकिन ये है कि थोड़ा मतलब आपकी पिक्चर भी आ रही है एंड इट्स लुकिंग वेरी गुड.
भाई पिक्चर है, ये भी भाई, लेकिन हाँ मेरे भाई इस फिल्म से ज़्यादा प्यार है रामन राघव.
Okay, so Shobita, you've been like a Kingfisher model and you're making a debut with a Anurag Kashyap film, so that's quite.
ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. ये तो डायरेक्टर है.
So you find that a bit of a contrast somehow?
Very, very. They're completely different worlds altogether. कुछ
नहीं पता नहीं था, वो नई नजर से देख रही है. आप बोलिए. ए नवाज भाई, किंगफिशर नवाज भाई, अब बोलिए. हाँ.
नहीं, actually it's a completely different world altogether. There is no similarity. Miss India हो, modeling हो या film industry, they're completely different from each other. So when I started off, the journey started from scratch, from the beginning.
It was actually your first audition.
Yeah, it was my first film audition for this film.
Right. So what exactly are you, because from the promos we are not really able to gauge that what exactly are you doing in the movie?
I play the character of Simi. She's a very strong girl. She's an alpha in her own right. She has a very strong sense of self, but at the same time, there's this very endearing, very vulnerable quality about her. I think Simi feels like coffee smells.
Wow.
Simi feels like coffee smells.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just reading some of her interviews. She has a knack for.
I've not really given many interviews in my life.
मेरे पास सारी details हैं ना. तो pretty interesting थोड़ा अलग किस्म का कुछ मतलब आपकी सोच है, which is interesting actually. Briefly, if you can speak about the entire Udta Punjab thing, are you happy with the response at the box office?
I'm very happy with the response, but and also I think the fight is far from over because promises have been made like every time, and we're waiting for them to act on it because problems are not going to go away till things are not altered and changed. Right. I think it's time to even look at the Cinematograph Act, everything.
Right. Even the way the movie was leaked and
movie leaked
said that if CBFC is involved in the leaking.
I'm saying if they're involved, of course it's a shame. It's a very shameful thing if they're involved. But right now the investigation is going on. So my thing is, it's not till the investigation not over and they have not found the culprit. It will be presumptuous of anyone to say that the CBFC has leaked it.
Right. But how far will you go for just fighting this battle?
I'm going to go to the end. We are going to go right till the end. I think because we are going to pull up everything, and it's time that our industry is taken seriously, and it's time that we as producers act on it, and do not ignore it, saying that चलो हमारा box office पे opening लग गई, हाँ या weekend हो गया तो छोड़ दें. I don't think so. I think for once one has to act, and as producers we have to take the responsibility to see it till the end, and the whole industry has come together, and the whole industry has come together because I very clearly say that Prahlad Nilani and his antics have united the entire industry.
Okay, in fact, you're saying that the industry is united. Salman has given a very interesting interview today, and
that's a very straight statement.
And he's about the unity part. He has said that उतना नहीं है जितना होना चाहिए, and एक दूसरे की टांग खींचते हैं, and all those things. And apart from that, he has said that the industry should be taken seriously the way you have said, and a lot of entertainment tax is taken, and कोई भी आके
we're taxed at everything. We pay so many taxes, and there's no protection from the government. We're always living under this threat. When like I will go out and fight, exhibitors are scared इसकी fight की वजह से हमारा theatre तो नहीं टूटेगा, right? Everybody, they're not given that kind of a protection. All those things, somewhere it is the need to get the politics out of it. In the sense वो जबरदस्ती का जो interference है, the political interference. I'm saying everybody has their own political point of view and everything, and they can exercise their point of views. But I'm saying the politicians should kind of stop using the industry as a soft target.
Yeah, that's what he said. It's a soft target, and अगर droughts में कुछ चाहिए, relief चाहिए, उसमें we just called. But there's nothing that even in terms of the piracy, the way it is happening. And he's given a very interesting example that Bajrangi Bhaijaan, there were around 3.5 crore people who actually went to the theatres to watch it. And whereas when it was watched on television, it was like much more than that. And even in terms of Big Boss, he says that 35 to 40 crore people actually watch it on television. Like, the number of people who actually come in the theatres is very less.
Hey, we don't have exhibition spaces. There's no policy that supports mushrooming of new exhibition spaces. I say when you look at China, China has in last 10 years has become one of the biggest markets because there's a government support system to the industry. There's so much exhibition spaces, screens have multiplied, and because of which the films are getting released. Right now there's a jostling of space in India. If one big film is coming out, then 2 weeks every film is scared to come out because they know they're not going to get exhibition space. But the policies are such that people are scared to create more exhibition space. And so because there's less exhibition space, ticket prices are higher because recovery has to be higher. Everything, when there's more exhibition space, then ticket prices can also come down, then everything becomes accessible with different strata of society can go to different theatres to watch a film. It becomes accessible to them. It supports a lot of things. And industry becomes powerful. Industry becomes a big revenue generator then after that.
Absolutely.
Look at China. Film opens there and does 100 million in the opening week. One of local Chinese films are making $500 million, $400 million. Why? Because there's that kind of a support system. And it's accessible to everyone. Piracy happens because cinema is not accessible. Everything happens, cable पे दिखाते हैं क्यों क्योंकि से तो कोई थिएटर नहीं है आसपास जाएं तो जाएं कहाँ?
Exactly, and no firm I think action is taken. खुलेआम pirated CDs VCDs बिकती हैं, मोबाइल पे लोग
और अंधेरी में चार्ज का तो जब लोग सड़क पे दुकान लगाए बैठे
Exactly, right. In front of the station, it's like there, so it's like that's very sad. Okay, now as far as अपने Vicky Kaushal is concerned, I think one of the most talented actors that we have right now. Now, Anurag, in fact, Vicky, Anurag Kashyap has spoken about your character in an interview in a very interesting manner. That he has said that in Masan he played a good boy which every girl would like to take home to meet their parents. In Raman Raghav 2.0, I have to make him a desirable guy with whom every girl wants to sleep with. So, आपके डायरेक्टर के बिल्कुल ही इनफैक्ट मुख्तलिफ किस्म का डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इमेज आपके लिए बनाने की कोशिश करी है इस फिल्म से।
बिल्कुल, अभी शूट के समय भी मुझे बताया गया था।
राइट।
और सर का एक प्राइमरी मिशन था कि वो जो तू गुड बॉय मोसान का वो जो ऑ लेके घूम रहा है ना, उसको तो मैं एकदम तोड़ मरोड़ के कहीं फेंक दूंगा इस फिल्म के बाद।
Apparently, you auditioned and you were rejected, and then you once again just locked yourself in a room or something like that for just getting into that.
Anurag sir called me and he wanted me to give an audition for this part. And so for that, the kind of description that he gave to me was really like that person, that Raghav was really different from who I am, or the kind of world I've seen, or the way I would react to a certain circumstance. It's really different. I couldn't connect to him at all. And but at the same time, when Anurag sir calls you that he's thinking of you to play a part in this film, co-starring Nawaz Bhai, it's a big opportunity, and you want to give your heart and soul to it. Right. So I had 5 days with me, and so I had to break that conditioning that I was used to. That atmosphere, that surrounding that I was used to. I couldn't have interacted or been with the same kind of people I am with, be it my family or friends, and then just stepped into that audition and cracked it. So I kind of cut myself off from that world. I kind of stayed alone with no interaction with the outside world, isolated, no phone calls, nothing, no TV, nothing. Just the script of the scenes, and just stayed there. Tried to tap onto the elements of the character and how probably I would have connected in my personal life. So just trying to find some new things inside me and explore some other elements from inside me, and I'm kind of happy that it paid off. I gave the audition after 5 days, and on my way back home from the audition, I got a call that Anurag sir is calling you back. He just saw the tape, and I went back and he just locked me then and there.
Fantastic. Now, Anurag, Raman Raghav, I was reading one of the articles, in fact, which you have retweeted, and a very, very interesting guy. It's like a real life. You're saying that it's not biopic, but Raman Raghav, he was a psychopath and he was a serial killer in 1965 to 68, that period, and he had schizophrenia and he didn't know what he's doing, and he used to kill poor people.
He killed people at random. There's no logic for reason.
Without any provocation.
See, original Raman Raghav was a very interesting character because I've always been curious about him. And the reason being that I was coming across a character, the person who got away for so long, and he had no idea that killing people was meant to be a crime or is against the law. He had no notion of good and evil or bad, right or wrong. उसको था ही नहीं कि कुछ कानून के खिलाफ है वो, and he used to kill these helpless people somewhere. He was a strong person, and it was very random, and you just could not predict it, which is why it was also difficult to catch him because there's no motive.
Right.
So I wanted to explore the character because श्रीराम राघवन ने जो फिल्म बनाई थी उनके उस समय बजट नहीं था, टाइम हाँ उसका उसमें करेक्ट, और उसमें वो टाइम जोन भी मतलब बहुत लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज थे. 1 घंटे में बनानी थी, 1 घंटे की थी, उससे ज़्यादा बना नहीं सकते थे. वेरएज रिसर्च मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा था. मैंने उनको ज्वाइन किया था सब फिल्म खत्म होने के बाद उन लोगों को, तो मटेरियल काफ़ी पढ़ा था मैंने. मुझे लगा था कि इसको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए नीड अ लार्जर फिल्म, बट द होल आइडिया ऑफ अ सीरियल किलर फिल्म डिडंट एग्जिस्ट देन इन द सेंस फॉर मतलब वेयर ही इज द कैरेक्टर एंड एवरीवन. सो हम बहुत टाइम से बनाने की कोशिश थी, लेकिन जब तक बारी आई तब तक पता चला कि आप जो है बायोपिक नहीं बना सकते हो, बिकॉज पीरियड फिल्म थी, और पीरियड फिल्म के लिए मुझे बजट मिलने बंद हो गए.
You mentioned that in the interview.
तो मैंने कहा ये पीरियड फिल्म एक और नहीं, कभी नहीं. तो फिर उसको मैंने कंटेम्पराइज करने की कोशिश की. इन द प्रोसेस जो आया वो रमन राघव 2.0 टाइटल पहले आया, स्क्रिप्ट आई थिंक टुडे व्हाट वी हैव मेड इज अ फार बेटर फिल्म. मतलब इन द सेंस सडनली ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ इसके बाद अच्छा था आपने ये बनाई, और अच्छा था वो सब चीजें हुई. Otherwise, it wouldn't have led to this because something very strong has come out.
Now, Nawaz bhai, I think when you see the promo, the way you are actually, it's like, it's amazing that just watching you, especially that scene when आप वहाँ पर एक खिड़की के बाहर आप देख रहे हैं and you just कि मैं ये, and suddenly the way you change, it's like brilliant the way you just functioning over there. So ये कहीं ना कहीं क्या हो जाता है आपको? अभी आप सामने हमारे बैठे हैं ना, आपसे बहुत बार ये सवाल पूछ चुका हूँ, मुझे हैरत होती है आपको देख के ऑनेस्टली, दैट आप मतलब अभी आप बहुत ही मिस्कीन से एकदम बिल्कुल सीधे साधे से आप जो कि आप हैं रियल लाइफ में, लेकिन ये रमन राघव जब आप मतलब आप बने हैं, मतलब इट्स लाइक पॉकेट मार एंड एवरीथिंग, बच्चों को भी मतलब इट्स लाइक, ये क्या कैसे करते हो आप, मतलब हाउ डू यू मैनेज इट? इट्स लाइक
ये सारे गंदे काम नहीं करवाते हैं मेरे से।
तो गंदा काम बोल दिया पहले ही।
बच्चों को मरवाना है, किसी को 700 गोली मरवाना है विलन को, ये सब सारे जो है यहीं से निकल के आते हैं। हो सकता है इनके दिल दिमाग में कहीं छुपा हो ये चीज़ जो मेरे से करवाने हैं।
एक्चुअली क्या इनके अंदर काफी भड़ास है जो ये मेरे थ्रू निकाल देते हैं। जब इनको जब ऐसा होता है मैं बहुत अंदर भर गया है, ऐसा निकालना है, हाँ नहीं लिखता हूँ, ऐसा होता है। हमारा डील ऐसा है थोड़ा। तो अब देखिए इसके बाद जाके गारंटी है अगली लव स्टोरी निकलेगी इनकी बाहर, बिल्कुल गारंटी मेरी। जब इस तरह की फिल्म करने वाले अगली जन की लव स्टोरी ही होगी।
नहीं, एमी जैक्सन के साथ में कर रहे हैं सर, डांस भी किया उसमें,
क्या बात है, ठीक है।
एमी जैक्सन के साथ में किया भाई।
आई थिंक वो इसलिए ये फिल्म की इन्होंने, उनको मालूम था नेक्स्ट फिल्म में एमी जैक्सन के साथ करनी है, गलत इंप्रेशन आ जाए, समय निकाल लो।
सब प्लानिंग के साथ कर रहा हूँ मैं।
Okay, how was your experience of just working with the likes of Nawazuddin? Vicky is a very fine actor. Anurag Kashyap being directed by Anurag Kashyap.
It's a huge opportunity for me. It's tremendous because it's every actor's dream that they get to work with Anurag sir at some point in their life, and to be able to do that with my first film is actually hugely impacting. And the whole process of the film, the shooting, it was actually very character building for me. Because I learned to be alert as a person, as an actor. I was so much more aware. So I could feel that, I could sense a certain evolution creatively, and it's a very good feeling.
Right. Okay, what sort of response did you get at Cannes recently? You guys at the premiere in Cannes.
Cannes, we got a standing ovation after the film premiered, and there were very interesting questions in the Q&A rounds as well. One of which is stuck in my head, which was somebody asked, somebody said that we weren't expecting this sort of a film to come out of India, which I thought was a great compliment to the film.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks like that.
It's also there's a certain notion of a serial killer film,
Yeah.
which breaks with this film. It's not really a
How do you say
whodunit.
that? Why do you say that?
Because all serial killer films are whodunit ना, कौन है मार रहा है, कौन है serial killer, और उसका एक opposite है मैन हंटर जैसा फिल्म जहाँ पे आप serial killer के point of view से भी चीजें देखते हो।
जी।
But this is not like those films at all. This is something. The take is very fresh, which is why I think the reaction has been so strong and everybody has been like.
No, absolutely. It must have been. And now, you guys must have been doing like many interviews and similar sort of things. So we would like to make it a bit interesting in terms of and slightly entertaining. So we have this quiz that how well do you know Anurag Kashyap? Okay, so
Nice.
your three actors, you have to just fight it out. And now is the time to prove your allegiance to Anurag Kashyap. That कौन जो है ज़्यादा जानता है Anurag Kashyap के बारे में?
जीतेगा कौन? ये तो नहीं मालूम, हारेगा कौन इतना पता है।
तो मैं सवाल पूछूंगा नवाज भाई, थोड़ा सा आपसे भी मतलब गुजारिश है कि आप एक्टिवली मतलब आप फैजल खान आपसे आप रमन राघव तक, तो थोड़ा सा आप भी एक्टिवली प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट करें. Whoever answers first gets the and correctly, then this gets the points over there. We have several questions, so we'll just start with that. So how well do you know Anurag Kashyap, who is with Vicky, Shobita and Nawazuddin? When is Anurag Kashyap's birthday? Should I give the options as well?
नहीं wait.
Okay, I'll give you options. September 9, September 10, October 9, October 10.
September 10th.
September 10. Yes. So Vicky Kaushal, 1-0. Alright, which film out of these was not written by Anurag Kashyap? Which film was not written? Shakalaka Boom Boom, Barsat, मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
That's a good question.
Shakalaka Boom Boom, Barsat है.
मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
मैं ऐसा ही
बरसात.
Barsat, in fact, I thought was मतलब इन तीनों में से तो I thought कि
नहीं.
Okay, name the animated film directed by Anurag. Hanuman, Return of Hanuman, Krishna, Bal Ganesha.
हनुमान. Return of
हनुमान एंड रिटर्न ऑफ हनुमान कौन सा?
अच्छा एक सेकंड, Return of Hanuman.
Okay, so 2. So Shobita ji, you need to really just नवाज भाई, ये मतलब आपको मोहब्बत आपको प्रूव करने का मौका मिल रहा है और आप अभी
हमारी मोहब्बत बहुत ही ज़हनी है,
ज़हनी तौर पे, जैसे ये प्रैक्टिकल टर्म में भी होनी चाहिए. Okay, who played Paro in Devdi, Kalki, Tejaswini Kolapuri, Mahi Gill?
ये मैं हट जाओ आप लोग. माही गिल.
Okay,
सबको पता था ये, पहले हट जाओ.
शोभिता ने अपना खाता खोला है 2-1 and Nawaz bhai, please. Alright, this Kangana Ranaut film was co-edited by Anurag. Name the film. Revolver Rani, Tanu Weds Manu, No Problem, Queen.
Queen.
2-2. So Shobita has.
मैंने बोला
कब बोला?
आपने मन में
मेरे
बोला.
हाँ मन
Which was the first directorial of Anurag that got screened at the Cannes Film Festival? Gangs of Wasseypur, Devdi, That Girl in Yellow Boots, No Smoking.
That got screened.
Yeah, at Cannes.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
Correct. 3-2. Nawaz bhai. In No Smoking, who played the role of Shri Shri Prakash Guru Ghantal Baba, Bengali?
Paresh Rawal.
Paresh Rawal. 4-2. nawaz bhai, दिल में ही पता है इनको.
नवाज भाई का बड़प्पन, नवाज भाई चाहते हैं कि ये लोग जीते.
बच्चे जीत जाए.
Okay, which Anurag film had the song Dhadam Dhadam? Devdi, Gulal,
Bombay
Bombay.
Bombay.
I said it louder.
Sound किसका है पहले?
He said. That's the thing. We need like a bit of moral accuracy. 5-2. Nawaz bhai knows.
एक्चुअली इसको 2012 के पहले का कुछ नहीं पता.
हम उसका एडवांटेज ले रहे हैं.
Okay, which was the first Ramgopal Sharma film written by Anurag? Jungle, Rangila, Satya, Kaun?
सत्य.
Satya. Alright.
I
6-2. So I think he has technically won. We have 2 more questions, so आप लोग थोड़ा सा redeem कर सकते हैं अपने आप को. In Gangs of Wasseypur, who mouths the famous dialogue तुमसे ना हो पाएगा?
रामाधीर सिंह, दिग्मान सिंह.
बोलने तो दे.
you know we have.
देखो वासेपुर में I was an AD, तो ये तो हमें एक्टरों को पता लगने से पहले हमें पता था ये कौन बोलेगा.
ये शूट करने से पहले पता था कौन बोलेगा.
ये तो फिल्म
He's
में
like a bully.
नवाज भाई तो फिल्म में थे. Okay, last question, just one last chance for you guys to just redeem yourself. In Happy New Year, with whom did Anurag share screen space in his cameo scene? Anu Malik, Vishal Dadnani.
विशाल दल्ला.
So by an overwhelming majority, I think, in fact, Vicky Kaushal has won this round. So Nawaz bhai knew everyone. All.
नवाज ऐसा चुप है. नवाज भाई का जब जवाब देते समय लगता है क्योंकि वो
ये तो
थोड़ा
ट्रिवियाज है. अब आप अनुराग सर के पर्सनल क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो उसमें तो नवाज भाई से कोई जीत नहीं सकता. He knows him that well.
Zehni level pe.
Zehni level. That's true. That's true.
Okay, we'll have a bit of a rapid fire with you guys. So quickly we'll have it with all of you. We'll start with Nawazuddin, Raman Raghav. He's a champion at rapid fire. So rapid fire with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. A quality of Raman Raghav that you admire. कौन सी ऐसी क्वालिटी जो कि आपको रमन राघव की कोई आपको इम्प्रेस करती है? कैरेक्टराइजेशन of it. Okay. True or false? ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के बाद आपको किसी को वाकई में मर्डर करने का दिल चाह रहा है जिससे आप बहुत ही नफरत करते हैं? ऐसा कुछ नहीं. तो यहाँ पे
0 पॉइंट है. I think इम्प्रेस नहीं किया.
Okay. आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था जब आपको पता चला that चित्रांगदा is no longer a part of बाबू मोशाय बंदूकबाज?
मेरा तो पहला रिएक्शन यही था, हाय.
Yeah, 1 point.
Alright, जब आपको पता चला, आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था जब आपको पता चला that हरामखोर जो है is facing sensitive trouble?
वो पता था कि ऐसे सब कुछ तो होता ही रहता है ना, तो उतना ज़्यादा वो शॉक नहीं किया.
That's a very interesting justification as well for just stopping that movie, that teachers जो हैं वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकते.
ऐसी अंदाज की भी ऐसी कुछ स्टोरी थी मैंने सुना.
हाँ.
प्रहलाद जी की फिल्म थी अंदाज, उसकी भी सेम स्टोरी थी ना, करिश्मा स्टूडेंट थी और
Okay. Alright. अगर आपको इन एक्ट्रेसेस को रेट करना है in terms of their hotness, तो आप कैसे करेंगे? शोभिता. 1 to 10.
1 to 10, 1.
1 से कम.
1.0.
1 सबसे कम हुआ, 10 सबसे ज्यादा हुआ. 10.
1 मतलब नंबर 1 बोला.
एमी जैक्सन.
जो उसकी फिल्म आएगी उसको बोलूँगा 1. अच्छा मतलब 10 बोलूँगा उसको.
अभी
2.
नहीं मैं 9.
हाँ सॉरी 9. मैं 1 से शुरू. हाँ 9.
1 to 10. 10 सबसे आगे हाईएस्ट है.
हाँ,
1
9,
सबसे कम.
9.
राधिका आप्टे.
अब तो बहुत पुरानी बात होगी तो मैं उसको
7, 6.
हाँ 6, 7 टाइप में कहीं.
फिल्म हो गई वो. तो जो फिल्म आने वाली है इसकी.
हाँ. विद्या बालन. अभी आपने 3 पैक करी है, काफी तारीफ भी करी है.
हाँ आई थिंक वो 8.
8.
10, 9, 8 हो गया.
Alright. So I think pretty good. Not bad, pretty good actually. So now we'll come to Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal, what is the first thing you will do if you wake up as Raman Raghav?
I'll look for my pipe.
You look for your pipe? Okay. Best compliment that you've got from Anurag Kashyap ever?
बच्चा था बड़ा हो गया.
Okay. Most favorite and least favorite Anurag Kashyap film for you?
Black Friday, Yellow Boots.
Okay, so you didn't like Yellow Boots.
I mean least favorite.
Least favorite. Okay. Yes or no? Have you ever kissed someone and regretted it?
No.
Have you not kissed any?
I've kissed someone.
And you're not.
Never regret.
Just clarify. True or false? Have you got a crush on your co-stars and wish to take it to the next level?
Yes, true.
Did the Google ad remind you of your father and his struggles?
Yes. True.
True. Alright. If you turn the following for 24 hours, what will you do? अगर आप इन लोगों में तब्दील हो जाएं, तो आप क्या करेंगे? For 24 hours, Anurag Kashyap.
I'll write.
Pailaj Nilani.
I'll resign.
Shyam Kaushal.
I'll take some rest for a day.
Richa Chadda.
Richa Chadda. I'll meet Vicky Kaushal.
You mean Vicky Kaushal. Shah Rukh Khan.
Wow. Shah Rukh Khan. I'll watch Raman Raghav.
Good one. I think
Good one.
pretty good. Overall, that resign wala and yellow boots wala. So I think pretty good. Okay, so Shobita, now you know you've seen the standards how they've been set. So
Oh, yes.
it's like you need to brace yourself for Please don't take stress. Just enjoy yourself.
And we have to answer all the questions without laughing.
अच्छा ये आप डिटेल्स में जानते होंगे. So rapid fire with Shobita now. Your first celebrity crush.
Characters in books actually. Robert Langdon, Dan Brown. Books. It's true, yeah.
नहीं but
Celebrity में.
talk about celebrity crush.
देखो
Rupert Grint, Harry Potter. क्या हाँ?
ऐसे ही जवाब आएंगे आप ऐसे.
This character.
हाँ,
the actor who played
हाँ.
Rupert
Grint.
Rupert
When
Grint.
you always when you take those Firang names, now it's like this. It's like a.
Hindi
The
Hindi.
thing is, no, because until 2 years
But it's
ago,
okay,
I've not seen more than 20 films.
तो
in
2
my
सालों
life.
में 20 फिल्मों में.
तो कोई क्रिकेटर
ठीक है.
धोनी है
धोनी
धोनी.
अच्छा.
धोनी है धोनी.
An Anurag Kashyap film other than Raman Raghav 2.0 you wish you had been a part of.
I've not seen all of his films. I think that's.
इतनी तो फिल्में बनाई नहीं है मैंने जो सोच रहा.
I would love to play Raman.
You'd love to play Raman?
हाँ.
क्या मेरा रोज़ रोटी पिक्चर इनका बरोबर दे ही सकते हैं.
रमन अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay, so we are liking it so far. Unconventional. Most desirable actor of Bollywood at present. Now it gets very specific actually.
Apart from Vicky and Nawaz, I think.
सोच ऐसा तो है नहीं कोई नहीं होगा.
I think there's something very cool about Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Aditya Roy Kapoor. Okay, thank you very much.
ये बहुत ही मसाले के बिना जवाब दिया था.
नहीं
कैमरा ऑफ कर दो ना उछल के बोलेंगी जवाब.
No, he's cool.
He's cool. He's cool. All right. Besides Raman Raghav 2.0, Nawazuddin's best performance was in.
I loved him in Kahani. Apart from the regular, I mean, of course, he was outstanding in Wasipur, but
Right.
Kahani was just.
Okay, we like that. We like that. All right. If not actors, what should have been the following people's alternate professions? Okay, alternate professions if not an actor. Anurag Kashyap, he's been acting quite regularly, so we can call him as an actor as well. So Anurag Kashyap, what do you think could have been an alternate profession apart from direction as well? I think.
I think he makes an amazing
Spokesperson.
writer.
राइटर तो वो है.
I think he should just be like one of those philosopher guides, coaching heads for people, because he is one of the most honest people I've known.
Okay, and he doesn't like that.
Coach.
He doesn't like coaching.
Life coach.
Am I right, Mr. Kashyap?
I hate it. I need life coaching. I need life coaching.
Vicky Kaushal, alternate profession for Vicky Kaushal.
If not an actor, he'll still be something around the film industry, on the film set itself. That's his love for cinema.
Arey, say one thing na. Everything doesn't have to be an intellectual answer.
It's not.
Random.
It's not. That's what I feel.
Specific, any specific, yeah.
She can't stop being brainy.
I'm prone to myself. I can't help it.
Yeah,
तो वरना like even I wanted to know.
I could, yeah. Acha. Anything that, any profession?
No, like one thing, dancer.
Yeah, he'd be an amazing dancer.
Amazing dance. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, alternate profession.
Kick-ass, badass farmer.
समझ में आया?
Like a farmer with swag.
Farmer with swag. Swag का मतलब मालूम है क्या? मालूम है? मुझे वो बता देना.
राधे माँ, alternate profession.
राधे माँ alternate profession.
ये सवाल मुझसे पूछना चाहिए था.
तुम बताओ.
नहीं तुम्हारा जवाब.
तुम्हारा जवाब है. सोचो.
राधे माँ.
You should just be an actor.
She should be an actor. Yeah, she's quite good looking as well, yeah. Alok Nath.
Pass.
पुजारी.
पास.
कुछ तो बोलो.
नहीं पता.
पहला जिलानी.
He should just chill at home.
Actually, I feel he should make films.
हाँ, he should make films.
He should make films.
He should make good masala films. He should make films.
Okay, so Shobita.
He should be an editor.
Very, very cerebral sort of clown with Shobita. Deeply thoughtful. So interesting.
There are
Definitely.
some answers she's still thinking about.
हाँ, तो हम भी बाद में सोचेंगे actually कि
ये आपको शाम तक टेक्स्ट आ जाएगा कि उस सवाल में पूछा तो उसका ये जवाब.
Exactly. In fact, I think Nawazuddin had the best moment as far as her rapid fire is concerned. That मेरे profession पे क्यों? Okay, alright. So now rapid fire with Anurag Kashyap. What do you have that no other filmmaker has?
Darkness.
What will you do if you get stuck in a lift with Pehla Janani and Ram Gopal Verma and you are suddenly reminded that you have a Swiss knife in your pocket?
Me? I will take out the Swiss knife and ढक्कन खोलूंगा सारे पहलाज जी के. बंद है काफी समय से.
You know, this is rapid. This is rapid. If I provoke him further, he will specify what sort of dhakkan, but I won't. I won't. Okay, amazing. In fact, I think Ram Gopal Verma tweeted like very, very interesting stuff that the entire industry should touch the feet of
रामू जी का प्यार है. That's his love. That's his love that comes out gushing all the time.
Complete karo, that touch the feet of Anurag Kashyap and everything else that makes him happy. So everything else is something that only he understands.
नहीं. What he's trying to say, which I will communicate to everyone. He's trying to say, देखो अनुराग को फिल्में बनाने दो और आप लोगों के पास जो कुछ भी है पैसे वैसे उसको दे दो ताकि वो फिल्में बनाता रहे.
He meant something else. He meant something else. All right, worst criticism that you have received for a film that you have directed.
Worst criticism. See, for a filmmaker, सबसे गंदा criticism जो होता है वो होता है जब people उसकी intention को question करते हैं. Anything. I think somebody calling a film bad is not a bad criticism.
जी.
The worst criticism is जब पूछते कि ये क्यों बनाई थी, मतलब जो उसका intention जब आ जाता है ना. For me, it's like when somebody says sell out or somebody says like say when you fight for था somebody says publicity के लिए कर रहा है और somebody says ये ऐसा है, तो वो जो है वो that is the one that
hurts you.
That is the one that hurts, yeah.
If not Nawazuddin, who would you have casted for the role of the serial killer apart from Shobita?
No, I'm not shortlisted.
If not Nawazuddin,
Yeah.
actually this role I had not thought of anyone except Nawazuddin, but now you're saying, so let me think. If not Nawazuddin for this role, Pehla ji. And I guarantee I would make him act very well. Because he is a kind of a serial killer of movies.
Psychopath?
Huh?
Psychopath?
He's a serial killer of movies. He has killed more movies than Raman Raghav has killed people.
You know the funniest part is that you're watching something and suddenly वो उसमें एक dissolve आ जाता है and you're like You know that यहाँ पर dissolve क्यों आया है? It's like which is
मैं तो मतलब for me बॉम्बे बॉलीवुड में जो पूरा केमिस्ट्री था दोनों एक्टर्स का
पूरा निकाल दिया.
वो पूरा कट गया.
I totally, in fact,
वो पूरा कट गया. मतलब उनको कैसे काटा उन्होंने, मतलब there's a couple that keeps talking. The whole idea was there's a couple that can't keep their hands apart from each other, constantly sit like kissing and talking and all that, and they're not really smooching. तो सब जगह से उसका साउंड निकाल दो, ये निकाल दो, तो बात करें बीच में खचा है, एक पूरे सीक्वेंस में खचा थ्रो आउट दो.
नहीं, इनफैक्ट मैं आपसे हमेशा मैं पूछना चाहता था कि दैट आपने जो प्रोमो दिखाया था when we interviewed you before Ugly, and the promo that actually released, there was a lot of difference in that. The entire passion जो था दोनों के बीच में,
पैशन तो
everything was
पिक्चर में से निकल गया था.
वो पैशन जरूरी था बिकॉज़ अगर वो उसके लिए जान ले सकता है तो उसमें वो पैशन तो दिखना चाहिए कहीं ना.
छोटा पैशन तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में वो निकल ही गया था. वो तो हर चीज़ को, एक तो मुझे लगता है जो जिस तरह का सेक्सुअलिटी फिल्म में होता है उससे ज़्यादा तो उन देखने वाले के माइंड में होता है. वो तो छोटी सी चीज़ है, जैसे हरामखोर के नीचे उसमें लिखा है when it says you say bad words or you say abusive words, मेरे को समझ में आता है. जी. Filthy language is a judgment. Filthy language is not that. So the filth is actually in the head of the person.
Absolutely. So
that's what I'm saying. It's the way they're thinking, and I can guarantee you there's much more perverseness in that person who's viewing that and the way they're viewing that, and the filmmaker's intention and the movie.
If you were a journalist, Anurag Kashyap, what would you like to ask the following in a one-on-one interview?
Yeah.
क्या पूछना चाहेंगे आप? अरुण जेटली.
मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि सर, honestly, just tell me that do you really care about the film industry?
Okay. Mr. Modi.
Mr. Modi, I would like to ask him that why does he not respond to a lot of things that he chooses to stay silent on?
Okay, Donald Trump.
I will ask him that, have you ever tried asking God, what's your last day on earth?
पहला जिंदानी.
वो सवाल समझ ही नहीं पाते. वो उनके दिमाग में जवाब पहले से होता है, वही कहते जो वो कहना चाहते हैं. तो it doesn't matter what question you're asking.
शाहरुख खान.
मैं शाहरुख खान से सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि सर, अब तो नई चीज़ें भी कर रहे हैं, उनके सवाल बचे नहीं. बस क्या पूछेगा सर, मेरे साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं?
मेरे और I think you guys are supposed to do something.
बात करते रहते हैं, लेकिन मैं फिर भी बार-बार यही पूछता हूँ, मेरे साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं?
Right. Salman Khan, what would you like to ask Salman Khan in the one-on-one?
I would like to tell him his statement that has come out today was unbelievable. So I would congratulate him on that and would say thank you for speaking up so clearly and so frankly and so aggressively.
Fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think मेरे ख्याल से हम लोगों के mind में कोई doubt नहीं है that who has won the rapid fire round. I think you'll agree that Mr. Kashyap has been really like I think close second has been Vicky Kaushal. I think some really interesting ones which have come from the Prodigy as well. So congratulations. So I think we can have like
a gift hamper.
Gift hamper आपके घर पे पहुंच जाएगा. So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thank you for
Raman Raghav 2.0 and everything else that you guys are doing in the future. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.